Hey, so I wanted to talk about the Vitalitim keyboard. This is a Bluetooth wireless keyboard. As you can kind of see my setup here, my laptop's up on a higher shelf, so I need something that sits low. It's got a perfect kind of angle to it. It's got some good rubber stops here so it doesn't slide around. On the back is the battery compartment, which houses 2 AAA batteries, and then the Bluetooth dongle is in here. The keyboard itself is pretty straightforward. A couple extra features it has. On the side here, on the keypad side, it has some keys to control sound and music, which is great. And then it has a quick calculator button, which will automatically on Windows bring up your calculator. The dongle, which I have just plugged in the back here, pretty small, straightforward. Just plug this into any USB on your computer, or I have it plugged into a third-party hub. And then when you get the product, it comes just in a standard white box, and it comes with a quick start guide if you want to have any questions over anything on it. But, you know, I didn't really need these because it's plug and play. So that's basically it. I am very happy with it. It's got a long battery life, and hopefully it'll last for years to come. Later.